Hello and welcome back. This is Antonia from Heimdal, and today on our channel we dive into a thrilling topic that keeps organizations on their toes: threat hunting versus incident response. As cyber threats continue to evolve, it's crucial to understand the difference between these two critical cybersecurity practices. So grab your notebooks and let's get started. Before we get into the specifics, let's establish a foundation. Threat hunting and incident response are two separate but interconnected components of a holistic cybersecurity strategy. While they both focus on identifying and mitigating cyber threats, they approach the task from different angles. Let's start with threat hunting. Think of a detective constantly looking for signs of risk in the vast cyberspace. Threat hunting entails actively and systematically searching for possible threats that may have bypassed traditional security measures. It's a proactive approach that assumes cybercriminals are already in an organization's network, lurking in the shadows. As we showed in our previous videos, threat hunters leverage sophisticated technologies including machine learning and artificial intelligence to identify indicators of compromise or unusual behavior. They analyze network logs, endpoint data, and other sources of information to detect and mitigate potential threats. It's like a digital treasure hunt aiming to discover hidden attackers and close any possible security gaps. Now let's shift our focus to incident response. Imagine an emergency response team prepared to take swift action when a security incident takes place. Incident response involves responding to and mitigating a confirmed cyber threat or a data breach. It's a reactive approach that follows a structured set of procedures and workflows. When an attack is detected or suspected, incident responders take immediate action. They collect evidence, assess the scope and impact of the incident, and work to contain, eliminate, and recover from the breach. Incident response is like a digital firefighting team quickly trying to minimize financial and reputational damage, restore systems, and prevent further compromise. Now that we understand the basics, let's compare the two from several perspectives. 1. Objective. As I said earlier, the goal of threat hunting is to proactively search for and identify potential threats and security vulnerabilities within an environment and eliminate them before they become full-blown incidents, while the goal of incident response is to reactively respond to and mitigate security incidents and data breaches that have already happened as soon as possible. 2. Methodologies. The threat hunting methodologies include 3 steps. Trigger. The hunters collect data about the environment, develop ideas about prospective attacks, and choose an impetus for the upcoming investigation. Investigation. Once a trigger has been chosen, the hunter's attention is drawn to anomalies that confirm or refute the hypothesis. Resolution. The gathered data is provided to other teams and tools to assess, prioritize, analyze, or save the information for later use during the resolution process. Now let's get to incident response methodologies. While threat hunting is an ongoing process, incident response follows a defined life cycle typically consisting of preparation, plan, assign roles, and set up necessary tools, identification, detect and determine the nature of the incident, containment, isolate the affected systems, and limit the damage. Eradication, remove the root cause of the incident, recovery, restore systems and check their integrity, lessons learned, evaluate the response, and make improvements. Ideally, threat hunting and incident response should work hand in hand. Threat hunting provides valuable insights that help refine incident response procedures, allowing organizations to better anticipate and respond to potential threats. By integrating the findings from threat hunting into incident response workflows, companies can improve their overall cybersecurity posture. And there you have it, threat hunting and incident response, two essential pillars of cybersecurity. In conclusion, threat hunting empowers companies to proactively seek out and eliminate potential threats. On the other hand, incident response ensures that they have a well-orchestrated plan in place when a security the incident does happen. Keep in mind that prevention alone is not enough in today's threat landscape. Organizations of all sizes must be vigilant, proactive, and well prepared to quickly respond when they experience a cyber attack. So whether you're an organization protecting sensitive data or a user safeguarding your digital footprint, make sure to embrace both threat hunting and incident response as critical components of your cybersecurity strategy. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on the latest cybersecurity insights. Until next time, stay safe and keep hunting those threats.